Meron bang reason kung bakit ang mga parang staple answer nila is we don't want to comment on
Private matters.
Tapos yung pangalawa ay yung pag-i-imply na siyempre, pinapangalagaan nila yung mga detainees. Ano? Parang ganun yung second phrase lagi nila kapag kasi rin sumasagot. Attorney, paintindi naman, ikaw naman ay lagi nandoon sa ICC. Ganito po ba talaga ang gawin?
Opo, ganun po talaga yung SOP ng ICC. So, dalawang punto lang po. Una po, hindi po sinasabi ng ICC and its officers yung anything about the health matters ng isang suspect po. Dahil po yan po ay covered ng right to privacy. Oo. Ikalawa po, in any case, whatever happens to any suspect, any detainee, the ICC has its standard operating procedures na ayon po yan sa regulation of the registry at international standards po ang pinapairal ng ICC. Kaya wala pong dapat mabahala po dahil talagang tinitingnan po ng ICC yung health, yung mental health, physical health, at overall well-being po ng any detainee within its custody.